As MDA coalition government led by NPP observed completion of one-year governance, it released a report card. Several project initiatives were mentioned as the state focuses on education, health, agriculture, livelihood promotion program besides others. One-year completion day of the MDA government was not a fanfare. However, a small program was organized, attended by senior officials and cabinet colleagues. A milestone was achieved in Meghalaya with various new initiatives undertaken by the government. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, addressing the one-year completion program, stated that it is a day to introspect whatever was done and what is not being accomplished.
This program or this function today is not a celebration, it is another day in governance. But completing 1 year, it is important for us to look back and realize what are the things we have done, and maybe more importantly, what are the things we have not been able to decide on how we will move forward.
The Chief Minister informed on various initiatives undertaken by his government while expressing happiness that Meghalaya stands in one among the top NREGA schemes even at the national level.
Education, as we had mentioned from day one, has been a priority for this government. As was promised in the beginning also, that we have come out with an education policy after detailed discussions. At the same time, many other infrastructure projects have taken place. We have come up with the mega health insurance phase 4, upgradation of civil hospital in Tura, including installation of CT scan has been done. In the road sector, a lot of achievements have been achieved in the last 1 year. Another big achievement for the government was the proper implementation of the iTeams, that is the call center for the farmers.
Conrad asserted that MDA government has given 100% in the last 1 year and reiterated that MDA coalition government is ready to face challenges that are yet to come. Unemployment being a constant issue, he said that they are working towards ensuring to give more employment to the people.
The bureaucrats as well as the cabinet and all the partners of the MDA have worked tirelessly to ensure that we take the state forward. And there have been many challenges, but I can assure you that we are up to the challenges and we will work towards ensuring that we achieve the goals that we have in mind. Next 1 year, we will do our best to ensure that we're able to other promises as well as move forward in different sectors so that we can take our state forward.
Conrad Sangma also spoke on issues relating to Assam and Meghalaya border, in addition to the problem of illegal coal mining and the mining tragedy of 13 December 2018.
Issues relating to coal mining is something that is very important for us, and it's a challenge because the government is trying to balance out between ecology and economy, and also the overall environment, safety, and I think that aspect is something important for us. We're trying to work towards it and ensuring that the economy and their livelihood should not suffer, but at the same time their environment should not suffer also.
Despite the achievement, the one-year journey of MDA governance has been a flip-flop. MDA government had faced lots of turbulence. One major issue is the illegal coal mining, which caught the national limelight. In an unfortunate incident, 15 miners got trapped in the rat hole of East Jante Hills of Meghalaya, out of which only 2 bodies have been recovered. In the meantime, with Citizenship Amendment Bill proposed to be amended in the last budget session, chaos and uproar echoes in the entire northeast region, including Meghalaya, where Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma played a vital role in opposing the bill. NPP, which is an ally of BJP, even threatened to snap ties with NIDA and BJP if the bill is passed. However, it was not tabled amidst protests. Another major issue was the sweeper lane, where clash erupted between the Khasi resident and the Harijans. Meanwhile, the long-standing border dispute with Assam has remained a constant problem. Presently, the big hurdle the ruling party is facing is the selection of a common candidate for Lok Sabha election. It may be reminded that on March 6, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with 11 other MLAs, took the oath of secrecy after coming to power, winning the assembly polls that were held on February 2018. MDA government is formed with coalition of 39 MLAs even after Congress won single majority. The government is led by NPP with 20 seats along with UDP 8, PDF 4, HSP-DP 2, BJP 2, NCP 1 and 2 independent. With Prakash, APN, Shillong.